Hi everyone, myself Bilas Kole. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Bilas Kole _Zulot. Today we'll discuss the topic hormones. Hormones. Actually, this hormone word came from the word hormone, which means to excite. Hormones, also called chemical messengers or information molecules, are the non-nutrient organic compound secreted in trace amount by endogenously located endocrine glands to body, generally released in the bloodstream, except a few local hormones like gastrin and have specific effect on the specific organs called target organs, generally located distinctly from endocrine gland. So, act is intercellular messengers. Local hormones work upon the adjoining tissue and reach there by diffusion. As an example, gastrin. Now, in the parts of discovery, first hormone discovered as secretin, secreted by duodenal mucosa and stimulating the secretion of pancreatic juice. It was discovered by two English physiologists, William M. Bayliss and Ernest H. Starling in 1903. Now we will discuss the nomenclature. The term hormone was coined by Starling in 1905 from Greek word hormone means to excite or to arouse activity. It is a misnomer because a number of hormones are known to have inhibitory effect on target organs. Example as somatostatin. Now we will discuss the chemical nature of hormones. Hormones on the basis of their chemical compositions are classified into three categories. First, amine hormones, steroids, and then proteinase and peptide hormones. Now we will discuss the amine hormones. Actually, those are derived from the tyrosine amino acid and have amino group. If we took the example, then we will observe from thyroid gland thyroxine, from adrenal gland epinephrine and non-epinephrine. This hormone from adrenal medulla. Now we'll discuss the steroid hormone. Those are fat soluble and have steroid groups. These are derived from cholesterol. If you took the example of those hormones, just like hormone of adrenal cortex, cortisol, aldosterone, cortisone, corticosterone, etc. From testes, the hormones like testosterone, androstenedione, etc. And from ovaries, the estrone, estradiol, and progesterone. Now we'll discuss the proteinase and peptide hormones. Those are formed of 3 to 200 amino acids interlinked by peptide bonds and are water soluble. Now if we took the examples, actually they are divided into three groups. First one is proteinase hormone like STH, TSH, FSH, LH from the anterior lobe of pituitary gland. Out of these, LH and FSH hormone are glycoprotein. Now second one, long peptide hormones like insulin and glucagon, which is from pancreas, ACTH, which is from anterior lobe of pituitary gland, and parathyroid from parathyroid. Third one, short peptide hormones formed of a few amino acids like oxytocin, ADH, and MSH. Thank you. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I am Bilas Kole and you are watching my YouTube channel Bilas Kole _zoology. Thank you.